Hello friend, I am Vinod Kenny. Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Magic Electronic. Today's video is about dead TV in LG-42W5700. In this video I will show you some different ways to repair this TV. Fault in this TV is stuck in standby. TV is not able to start with remote as well as power key. Right now I am testing power section of this TV. All control voltages of power switch section of this TV seems to be okay. Now I am testing 12 volt going to panel through panel switch. This main board has 3 transistor in panel switch section. 2 of them are NPN transistor, and 1 is P-channel MOSFET. Here it appears to be faulty voltage reading on base of first transistor of panel switch. Actually on first transistor base voltage reading should have been 0 volt instead of 0.6 volt. As per my theory, this faulty reading is because of dry or faulty microprocessor. The control for panel switch comes from this mini processor. This mini processor is connected through SDA and SCL of main processor. Any loose connection in main processor will have effect on panel switch control voltage output of mini processor. Now I will reflow main processor of this TV with BGA machine. There were 2 ways to fix this fault. One is I would have reballed the main processor fixed with BGA machine. And the other way is to just reflow main processor with applying BGA paste with the help of BGA machine. I am using other way to fix this fault to just reflow with BGA machine. Now I will start the machine by pressing start switch of BGA machine, after aligning the main board at the right location. Keep patience, let BGA machine do its job. It will take 5 minutes time to fix the main processor. Hey, mission is accomplished. You can see that some black paste has came out. It is because somebody have tried to fix this fault with dirty paste. But now everything is okay because we have done the great job by doing the right thing. Now let's clean the board and show you the good work carried out by me. Hip hip hooray, mission is accomplished. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now. See all of you in next video. Subscribe my channel for latest update on TV repairs. And press the notification bell and keep it all. This is my phone number and postal address. Call me for TV repair. You can also send your TV main board for repair at my postal address.